Dumela, welcome back to Summer Class. So I recently made a video about slang, and it seems like a lot of people loved it, and a lot of people talked about it. So I was thinking, how do you say that in slang? Medi, Medi, and cherry. Those two words means a woman. Um, you can say di Medi for many women or macheri for many women. That's a lot. A lot of people use those words. So you can just introduce your girlfriend or your wife, say, "Kishira amida, kimedi ami." So everybody knows. The street will know what you're talking about. And the second word is majita. Majita or mujita. Majita means guys. Like guys. Mujita means a guy. Like yeah, majita. And then we still with the guys. We still you have malaiti. Malaiti means yeah, my friends or these guys are with me. So kimalaita, like these are my guys. These are like my friends. Uh, and then we have mfana. Mfana, like most of these words, they are taken from Zulu, Ndebele, Afrikaans. So don't be surprised if you're like a Zulu speaker. You're like, but we say that in Zulu. So that's basically what's happening here. We took few words from French, Spanish, whatever. So we have mfana, malaiti, majita. Those means guys, and yeah, guys, like my friends. And then we have, I added this one because I know a lot of people use it. It's checho. When you want to say you're going to church, you can just say, hey, guys, chechonda. Yeah, that's the like the slang word of saying church. Church, like it's taken from English and then it was tonalized. Checho. And then we have, excuse me, we have da. Da is like here. Da, we are here. Odaneman, yeah, I'm here. Da. Batbada, Machiribada, Majitabada, Dimedida Da. So Da is like right here. I don't know where that one was taken from. So yeah, that's how we say here. And then we have Olady. Olady means mom. As if mom was not short enough, but we have slang for olady. Olady means my mom. So olady aka, ke olady aka, olady aka we hey, kiss have olady. All those things like I'm afraid of my mom, I'm respectful to my mom. Olady, olady, olady. That's mom. Okay, and then we have Zgogo. Zgogo or Magogo. Zgogo is like my grandma. I don't know where. Yeah, I think it was taken from Zulu. So I think in Zulu they say ugo ugo for like grandparents. So yeah, Zgogo, Magogo. That's how you say your grandparents in slang. And then we have Baya. Baya means a lot. I think it was taken from Afrikaans. Baya. I don't know how we write, but we write it Baya. So I don't know how it's written in Afrikaans. Baya. Baya means a lot. Majitaba Baya, Machiriba Baya, like a lot of guys and girls. Alright, Baya. And then we have Transi. Transi is transportation. Transi. Transi. Hey, can I let Transi da? Tavana le Transi who? Hey, now I'm in the zone. That's how you say transportation. And then we have VAR. VAR. VAR is like the truth. I think it was also adopted from the Afrikaans language. You find a lot of slang words in Setswana. They are taken hijacked from Afrikaans. So VAR, I think it's Afrikaans. I know I had few Afrikaans friends who would always be like, "Hey, tell VAR." No, whatever they say in Afrikaans, but they say VAR for truth as well. So if you're speaking Afrikaans, man, you're in good hands when you're like transitioning from Afrikaans to Setswana. I feel like should be the easiest thing because we have all the sounds that are similar. So VAR, it's a Setswana slang word for saying the truth. Ke go bolelela VAR like that. Evara, that's the truth. And then we have Sgela. Sgela is school. So it's an Sgela, Kiwana Sgela, Kinalengwano Yan Sgela. Sgela is school. Like when you are at school, you know you are in Sgela. So Umutwa Sgela, you are a school person or school, yeah, whatever. So Sgela is school. You know what? I think that's all the that's all the slang I have for you today. But there still will be more slang. I'm sure slang video to come up. But this slang, the first video that I uploaded of slang, and this second one should be able to like get you by in the street. You also be like one of those cool people. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support.